Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And once again, we are here because Carnival Cruise Lines, again, and I mean again, is having to warn customers, warn passengers about bad behavior. Just rampant entitlement by a select few that honestly, if it continues, could affect a perk for many others. So guests that are diamond, platinum, staying in a suite, or have faster to the fun on Carnival Cruise Lines, they get what I think is a really awesome perk that you can board the ship, take whatever luggage you brought on with you, your carry-on luggage, you can take it directly to your cabin, you drop it off, and then you leave your cabin until your cabin is ready. Now for the majority of passengers, they follow the rules, no problems, because it's really simple, right? You take your carry-on bag, you take it to your cabin, you drop it off, and you leave. Drop it off and leave, and then you come back when the cabin's ready. Super easy, super simple. Doesn't take a whole lot of explanation to explain, and it's really nice to be able to simply have no bag the minute you get on the cruise ship. Head up to the buffet, head up to Guy's Burgers, enjoy your time on the ship, go to the sail away party, grab yourself a drink at the bar, and not have to worry about having a bag with you. You cruisers know what I'm talking about. You go in the buffet, there's bags everywhere. So not having them is really great. But how many instances of bad behavior does there have to be before you think the cruise line's gonna go, you know what? It's not worth it anymore. We're just gonna stop doing it. Now over on Carnival Cruise Line brand ambassadors page, John Heald, he has to make an almost a monthly reminder out there that it's drop off the bag, leave the room. And yesterday he gave some examples of passengers that are so entitled that rules don't apply to them. They can do whatever they want. It doesn't matter what anybody else is doing. And these are the people you have to worry about because they're the ones that will end up having this perk taken away. So again, it's drop your bag and it's leave. It's not, I want to take a shower time. No shower, drop your bag and leave. He had one that insisted he be allowed to take a nap, not drop off his bag and leave. He was going to come in and he was going to take a nap. And some that start unpacking. Again, that's not drop off your bag and leave. I don't understand how people cannot understand these very, very simple rules. And the guy that wanted to take a nap, the room steward was still cleaning the room. And his answer to that was to take his cruise card and shove it in housekeeping staff, just shove it in their face and be like, but look at me, get out of my room, and demanded the room steward leave a room that wasn't even finished yet. And all of this just so he could take a nap. I would think as adults, we could do something so simple as follow these rules. There's not much to it. It's not complicated. Drop off your bag and leave. Yet here we are. You don't take a shower. You don't start to unpack. You don't throw the room steward out so you can, decide you need a little nap. You wait until your room is ready. These room stewards, they are working hard. They have a lot of work to do from the time that the passengers disembark until the next set of passengers are ready to go inside their cabin. Now, this is just a few. This is not a majority. This is just a few, but it's enough that he has to put out an almost monthly reminder. Behave yourself. Stop this bad behavior. Stop acting this way. Stop being an entitled jerk. Because honestly, at the end of the day, if it gets too bad, the cruise line is just going to go, forget it. We're not going to deal with it. You won't get this perk anymore. And I guarantee you, the loudest ones that will complain will be the very ones that stuck their card in your face and told the room steward to get out of the room.